Hi, this is Steve, and in this screencast, I'm going to show you how to design a splash page. The splash page is where you can sell your event if you don't have a website, but it's also a place where you can really show off the details of your event through awesome components like YouTube videos, SoundCloud files, pictures, and more. To get to the editor, I'm going to go to Manage. This is the event that we made in another session, and to go to everything, to manage the pages, to look at all the details, you always go to Manage first. Under Manage, I'm going to hit Design up top here. And this is the splash page editor. To add components to the page, I'm going to hit this plus sign. And I can add text, SoundCloud files, YouTube videos, other events that I have, if I have any, and a map. So I'm going to add some text to start out with. And I'm just going to make hello, this, just some sample text. It is a great event. And I can do cool things with it like make it bold, I can make it bigger, I can also center it, and let's see, make it even bigger. When I save it, it's going to show up right below. Hello, this is a great event. And it's as easy as that. Now I'm going to show you how to do other things like add a SoundCloud file, and I'm going to choose a different, the same background color. So we automatically alternate with dark and black if you want to show a little contrast. So I'm going to choose black again. And this section title is actually a navigation title. Right here it says add navigation link to this section, but if I don't want to, I can uncheck it and there won't be a link to it. And I'm going to go ahead and copy a SoundCloud file. So this is a SoundCloud file that I want to put on my splash page. I'm going to go ahead and click on share, and I'm going to copy this URL right here. Just going to copy it to my clipboard, and go ahead and click that. And I'm going to add the player. And you'll see the preview come up as soon as I hit add player, and then I can save that and it'll add it right here. Okay, so the next one I want to show you is how to add a YouTube video. I have found some stock footage of some Galaxy stuff since we're kind of themed right now. And I'm just going to pause the ad and copy this URL. And I'm going to go ahead and click on video. YouTube URL is right here. Instead of calling it video, I'm going to call this YouTube, or I could even call it preview show, something like that. I can name it whatever I want. And then I'll go ahead and save it. Oops. First I need to add it to the preview so I can see it, and then I'm going to save it. Alright, cool. And then as you see here, the YouTube video is embedded on the page right now under the SoundCloud. Another thing I can add that's really cool are other events. So if I had other events in this count, I could simply paste the event URL, which is this URL that you see right here, and it's also on the sharing page. But right now I don't have that. I can of course add my own event, right? But it's the current event, so I can't add that. I'm going to go ahead and click on map, and I can choose different background colors for this map. And I'm going to call this location instead of map. And I don't really need to add a link to this section, so I'm going to save that. And as you see, I added the dark background color, so it's the dark map here, right? And let's say I messed up. Let's say I really want the YouTube video ahead. How do I do that? I'm just going to go and click on this edit menu button, and see this preview shows where the YouTube video is. I'm going to click up, so it switches place with the SoundCloud. I'm going to go ahead and save that. And let's see here, changed. Perfect. Now everything is kind of dark themed here, and that makes sense because we're talking about galaxies for this event. But let's say I wanted to change the theme color. I can edit the theme and I can choose a light theme. And hit on save. right? And now everything is a lighter background. And this doesn't really match the lighter background anymore. And as you see, when I hover over all these sections, there's an edit and delete. Of course, delete would remove the section, but I'm going to edit the section here. Change the background color to white. Save that. I got a really slick looking splash page. You can always add more text to show off, what's going to be at my event, who's going to be there, what's it all about. It's always a great idea. But that's the general idea of how to add pieces to the splash page. And I'm going to go ahead and copy this URL here. I can also find this URL if I go back to Manage and I go to Integration Codes and URLs. It's the same URL that's found here. And I'm going to go ahead and take a look at what I created. And let's take a look as it loads. There you go. This is how I can register for my event, but underneath is all the cool details of my event. Thanks for watching. Hope you like our designer. I'll talk to you later. Bye.